Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I want to show you how to organize your finances on Bereev. So the last time in part 1 of this tutorial, we showed you how to add your financial assets. Now, it's also equally important to list down all your liabilities so that your family will know what they need to settle. So that's what we're going to talk about today. The first thing you want to do is go to categories and look for finance. That's it there. Okay, as you can see at the bottom, the last time I did this tutorial, I've already added my bank accounts, my retirement fund, as well as some of my insurance policies. So let's talk about liabilities right now. So the two main ones that Bereev is capturing at the moment is loans and credit cards. In future, we'll add more types of liabilities as well. So let's take one for example. Let's start with loans. Let's just click on edit. So if you haven't uploaded any loans yet, it will be an empty list. Just click on add loans. What you want to do here is you want to specify the details of the loans that you are currently paying off, or if you have taken any loans in the past. So let's go ahead and add this. First, pick the bank that you've taken this loan with and the type of loan. So it can be, let's just say this is my student loan. This is an optional field, so you can actually put down the loan number. You can also specify what was this loan for. So let me just put here PTPTN, college fees. Another optional field is to specify how much did you take with this loan. So let's just say 35,000 ringgit. You can switch the currencies right here. Another optional thing to do is to specify how long is this loan's duration. So let's just say this was for 36 months. And the status, whether you're still paying it or is it paid off, or what's going on with this loan. So let's just say still paying off. Once you're done, you have any important notes, you can put them here. Otherwise, you can just skip it. Once you're done, review your information and click on next. If you have any attachments right here, it's the place for you to add them. If not, you can just skip it. Okay, so as you can see, right now my student loan is showing up under the list of loans that I've taken. So if you want to edit it, just click on this. You can edit it anytime or you can remove it right here. Now let's go back to finance. The other liability that we don't think about is our credit card debt. So if you have any credit cards and you have not paid off your balance, this is where you want to add them right here. So click on credit cards and you can actually add your credit card right here. So we don't ask for a lot of information right here. It's just essential information that will help your family locate those cards or even locate the banks that your cards the banks that issued your cards, right? So go ahead and share where you got this credit card. Visa. So this is actually an optional field, right? If you don't feel comfortable adding, you can actually just skip this. The idea is just for your family to know which bank did you get this card from, what type it is, so that they can actually go and follow up with the bank. Once you're done, click on add. And that's it. So now your family will know that you have one Visa card with CIMB. If you have more, you can just add right here. So that's it guys, you see how easy it is for us to add our liabilities on top of assets. So again, I can't stress how important it is for your family to understand your real financial situation, right? As Malaysians, we tend to think about what we will inherit, the properties, the cash and whatnot. But what about the liabilities? This is something that we don't typically think about, but it's equally important because you don't want your family to be caught off guard by it when you're gone. That's it from me today guys. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye bye.